Crypto explicitly has been in the news a ton of late, and it's no big surprise, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. But the unstable idea of crypto costs, it's not difficult to become involved with the publicity, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking explicit. A great many people generally are centered around the crypto market drifts yet there especially are really various exceptionally charming business arrangements in the crypto circle, which sort of is genuinely huge. Furthermore, one of them truly is loaning computerized cash in a truly significant manner. That model sort of is carried out in Abracadabra Money, an exceptionally secretive venture we'll examine today. We should really get into it, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Thus, priorities straight. What is Abracadabra Money in an unobtrusive way? Abracadabra Money, or Abracadabra, in every practical sense, is an imaginative loaning stage that offers clients a helpful method for getting to cash without having to sell their resources in an every practical sense huge way fundamentally. The stage explicitly is controlled by blockchain innovation and in a real sense offers straightforward, secure, and easy to understand loaning and getting administrations, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Abracadabra permits clients to choose the terms for their credit, including the financing cost, credit length, and guarantee prerequisites in an especially significant way. The stage likewise gives a gamble-the-board framework to truly shield banks from defaulting borrowers, which is very critical. Administration clients can for the most part use their computerized resources as by and large guarantee to get MIM, or enchantment web cash. The task stablecoin pegged the MIM stablecoin can truly be traded for USD or any fundamentally other cryptographic money in an unpretentious manner. MIMs in every practical sense. Current coursing supply generally is over 2.78 billion tokens with a great market capitalization of $2.77 billion amazingly. Fixed to USD. MIM's truly current sort of typical cost esteem truly is around 99 cents. Abracadabra's especially other certainly local token is Spell, which generally depends on the Ethereum blockchain and fills in as an administration token in a kind of huge manner. An administration truly token basically is a kind of cryptographic money genuinely token that gives holders casting a ballot rights on the tasks bearing in a truly significant manner. Advancement choices, for instance, could generally be put to the vote among token holders, or so they really thought. The substantially more tokens an extremely individual or element holds, the sort of more weight their vote has, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Along these lines, administration tokens plan to decentralize power away from a little gathering of leaders or designers and truly give every individual who claims tokens a say in how the venture advances. Fundamentally, administration genuinely token holders for the most part are partners in an unpretentious manner, D to USD in a genuinely large manner, when basically was the spell in every way that really matters, tokens sent off amazingly. The first in every practical sense. Notice of sort of spell returns to 2021, which is genuinely critical. Who generally is behind the spell token? The undertakings group sort of is unknown, and no one truly realizes who in a real sense is behind spell. Whereas the spell in every way that really matters, token utilized, which by and large is very huge. Spell really is utilized in the Abracadabra Money environment as an administration cryptographic money and for charges explicitly procured from the convention, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Is the spell token a stablecoin? No, it's not in a significant manner. What is Spell's circling supply, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking? Right now, Spell most certainly has a circling supply of more than 83 billion tokens. Is fundamentally Spell a purchase, truly in spite of prevalent thinking? Many individuals for the most part are contemplating whether presently in every way that really matters is an ideal opportunity to put resources into the Spell token, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. The symbolics cost in every way that really matters has been fundamentally steady of late, yet when the crypto market was by and large roaring lately, the Spell commonly token truly saw a huge cost ascend in a for the most part enormous manner. Being a piece of an exceptionally dim, strange task, the Spell really token in a real sense conveys some gamble however might actually be a productive speculation, which is genuinely huge. Spell token value forecast 2022, or so they sort of thought. As per the specialized examination of Spell token costs expected in 2022, the by and large least expensive for the most part Spell token will explicitly be $0. The truly greatest level that the Spell cost can in every practical sense arrive at sort of is $0, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. The very normal exchanging cost is normal around $0. Spell really token value forecast 2023, which essentially is genuinely huge. After the examination of the costs of in a real sense Spell token in earlier years, it for the most part is expected that in 2023, the very least cost of especially Spell token will explicitly be around $0. The sort of greatest expected Spell cost may truly be around $0. By and large, the exchanging cost could in every practical sense Be $0 2023. Spell Pretty Symbolic Value Forecast 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Spell token in 2024, explicitly Spell for the most part is supposed to have the accompanying truly least and truly greatest costs, about $0 separately. The genuinely normal expected exchanging cost is $0. Spell Exceptionally Token Value Expectation 2025, which generally is very critical. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money basically have broke down the costs of Spell Exceptionally token and their variances during the earlier years, which really is genuinely huge. It most certainly is expected that in 2025, the by and large least Spell cost could drop to $0, while its for the most part greatest can sort of reach $0. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $0. Spell Token Value Expectation 2026, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. In light of the examination of the expenses of most certainly Spell kind of token by crypto specialists, the accompanying exceptionally greatest and least especially Spell costs are normal in 2026. 1 cent and $0 in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. By and large, it will be exchanged at $0, which all things considered is very huge. Spell Kind of Symbolic Value Forecast 2027, which essentially is very huge. Crypto specialists fundamentally are continually breaking down the vacillations of sort of Spell token, which explicitly is very critical. In light of their forecasts, the assessed genuinely normal sort of Spell cost will fundamentally be around 1 cent, or so they basically thought. It could drop to at least 1 cent. However, it actually could reach 1 cent all through 2027. Spell Token Value Expectation 2028. Consistently, digital currency specialists fundamentally get ready gauges at the cost of Spell token amazingly. It is assessed that basically Spell will for the most part be exchanged somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 2 cents in 2028. Its typical expense generally is normal at around 1 cent during the year, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Spell Extremely Token Value Forecast 2029. Digital money examiners are somewhat prepared to declare their assessments of the Spell token's cost in an unpretentious manner. The year 2029 will not entirely settled by the most extreme in every practical sense. Spell cost of 3 cents, or so they explicitly thought. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around 2 cents in a significant manner. Thus, the normal pretty typical exchanging cost in every practical sense is 2 cents. Spell Most Certainly Token Value Expectation 2030. Following quite a while of examination of the Spell sort of token cost, crypto specialists sort of are truly prepared to explicitly give their to the most part Spell cost assessment for 2030 in a really significant manner. It will be exchanged for something like 3 cents, with the conceivable greatest tops at 4 cents in a significant manner. By and large, you can anticipate that the Spell cost should generally be around 4 cents in 2030, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Spell Commonly Token Value Expectation 2031. Digital Money Examiner